had a mama rabbit dig a hole underneath of her cage and all of her babies escaped. So we're on a baby hunt now. We got 4 out of 5 of them. Oh, he got it.
Mommy, I'm gonna ask you a question.
Little turd.
Got them all back now. Dug this little hole just enough underneath there, they were able to sneak out.
Okay. All right, so another question we've been getting a lot of is, how do you tell the sex of a rabbit? Okay. So what I do is, which I know a lot of people's got their own ways of doing things, but this is how I do it. Taking 4 fingers, and I'll grab the scruff on the back of their back. I'll take my thumbs and I'll wrap it around here. All the pressure's on the 4 fingers though. You're just holding on to the thumb to try to keep its head stabilized. Okay. And then I'll take it and I'll flip it over like this. See, she can't really go nowhere. I'll take a finger up here on her tail and a finger up here, and I'll push. And you can see it pops out, but that is a slit that goes all the way down. That is a female. All right, guys, this is one of our older bucks. And I do want to show you this too while I'm doing this. You can see his nails are getting kind of long. So we are going to have to clip his nails too. We'll go ahead and show you. It's the same way with the buck or any rabbit. You put 1 finger on the tail, 1 finger right above, and you just push and split. And as you can see, it just comes out. A smaller one will have like a little hole that you'll be able to see, but that is a buck. All right, so you can see this little boy's pretty tame. I don't even really need. You want to hide yourself, don't you? But anyway, all we're going to do is we're just going to use a pair of dog clippers. Let's see if I can show you. All right, so if you look at its nail, you can see it's real light up here, and it gets darker as it goes back, and about right there, it starts getting really dark. If you can see that. So you want to cut, I'd probably leave about 1/8 above that. See, it don't hurt them at all. You're not hitting the quick. So if you guys have your rabbits in cages like this, like these are, you definitely want to make sure that you keep their claws cut, especially if you have very old ones, especially if you feed them a lot of grain, because they're just like your fingernails, guys. They just grow and grow and grow. So, which we'll probably get rid of him soon because he is getting older. He's still getting the ladies pregnant though. So anyway, guys, it's pretty simple. If you guys are just doing this for the first time, you might want to have somebody help you, have somebody hold the rabbit while the other person, especially if it's not tame, because you don't want your rabbit getting away and a dog eating it or something. Yeah, I know you don't like being on your back. At least you're getting attention though, huh? Thank you for watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also see us on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe.